Welcome to Heavenly Album Covers. This is a very quick follow-up to a episode we did about 17 videos ago on the Organ Grinder albums. And I was going through the Organ Grinder albums today and listening to them and admiring them. And I looked in the sleeve of this particular Organ Grinder album called Omnificent, and I noticed there was something inside the sleeve, and it is a Organ Grinder souvenir brochure, full color, and it's funny because it was pushed up against the inner sleeve, and it left an imprint there, a white imprint of the original sleeve. And so here's the souvenir program. There's the Organ Grinder sign. It's beautiful. The nice thing about this brochure is it's full color and it's very crisp and clean. It's been preserved for many decades. And here we have some history of the Organ Grinder organ. Very many notes on the organ, details, specifications, and here's some photographs of the actual organ in Organ Grinder Pizza. It was really a massive thing, and again, here's a veritable ton of details on the organ, and on the back there are some fun photographs of the actual Organ Grinder interior. And it was a big place. There's the organist in the middle, and there's the little monkey there somewhere, and oh, there he is. The little monkey would run around and take money from the customers, and so that's the brochure that I found from the album Omnificent, which is part of the old derelict Organ Grinder Pizza up in Portland, Oregon.